Guys, good evening. So today we're going to cook our dinner. And our dinner is, of course, rice. And we have here this, as you can see. And so we will start to eat. We'll get some rice. We'll get some rice, guys. These are rice. So I can eat more because I'm hungry. Guys, we have here the remaining soup.
Hi guys, how are you? Good evening.
The remaining soup.
Yes. Just wait.
So let's eat, guys. I have the sausawan here. You see? Sausawan. Of course, we will get this. This is isaw. Isaw, guys. I like this. This is my favorite.
Wow!
And of course, we have the vegetable, guys. You see?
Wait, Bobby, wait, Bobby. No water.
Mm. Okay. Their chicken intestine is good because, you see, guys, some of the isaw, this one is cut. Okay, this is really clean because, as you can see, soup. Vegetable soup. My baby also is eating. Hi, baby Rens. Hello.
Did you know?
Say hi. Come on. Hi, guys. He's enjoying eating, guys. He's eating chicken. The chicken is good. Another isaw. Mm. Isaw is life. Right, Daddy? The isaw is good, no?
Yes.
This is good pulutan, guys. We have beer. This is really good. Beer or some whiskey. Red label or black label. This is kind of street food. Chicken intestine. Mmm. Mmm.
No.
Yeah. Let's finish this food. No rice. Kasi guys, a rice cooker is something like this because last week I forgot the fire. I forgot the fire. Still open, so the rice there was burned.
Pwede remove the stick na yun.
Okay. Remove the stars. Thank you, Daddy. To pour you into for me. This is already our dinner. We just buy 4 isaw, or the chicken intestine, and 1 breast part of chicken. That's all. And we have
Sabi mo kung gusto mo cold na, enough na ha?
vegetable. It's raining outside, guys. I think here have location ready. There's a typhoon. There's a typhoon here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Come on, say hi. Say hi. Hi. He's eating, guys. Actually, he finished eating his dinner. But every time we eat also, he is also with us eating. This is the second time of dinner as of today, as of tonight. Friends. Love you. That's enough, anak.
Bigla ka.
That's enough, sige na. You're already full. Go down na, go down. Friends.
Lalim.
Bakit?
Sarap.
Ako din. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye na, Bebe. Bye. Bye. It's going down. Bye-bye.